viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet with other DAO application, because some subscribers sent to me message and they want to connect their Coinbase Wallet with OpenOcean decentralized DAO application. So in this video I am giving to complete information, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you going to click on my YouTube channel videos portion, then you can see here I have make many videos about Coinbase Wallet, and in last video we have connect over Coinbase Wallet with BitSwap, and also we have connect over wallet with QuickSwap or 1inch swap, and also PancakeSwap. So today we are just going to connect over wallet with OpenOcean, because some subscribers sent to me message, so that I'm going to make the video for them. Okay, so simple is that. First of all, I'm just going to click on Coinbase Wallet, and after that you just simple login, and then your wallet will be open front of you. You can see here the main interface is open front of me, my wallet. And let's suppose I need to connect with this wallet to decentralized exchange or decentralized application like OpenOcean. So simple going to click on and type Google, and just simple type here CoinJacko. CoinJacko is open front of me, and this is official website coinjacko.com. Simple click on it. Now CoinJacko is open front of me, and you can see here the Bitcoin price is $34,000 this time. Ethereum price is $1,795, and many coins and token in this position green, and many prices up in last 4 to 5 days. You can check all coin prices on this website. And let's suppose I want to connect over wallet with OpenOcean. So simple type here OpenOcean, and then you can see here the OpenOcean is shown in front of me. I simple click on it, and you can also see here must read. OpenOcean OOE has migrated from their older ERC20 and BSC contract to a new one, BSC. Okay, for more information please visit the announcement on the Twitter, and migration of the old OOE token to the new contract has been done via the page. So before going to connect your wallet on this DAO application, it's depend on you, because I just make video for the request of subscribers. So before going to your connect a wallet, you must complete your research. After that you will do this. Okay, if I'm going to check the token price of all-time high, so you can see here all-time high price is $1, and today price is just 0.009, means 99% down from all-time high. Yes, you can see here. So be careful when you are going to connect your wallet with this DAO applications. I again told you I just make this video for the request of subscribers, otherwise I will not make the video because this rank is 1000 plus. And you can also see here OOE tokens can be traded on the centralized crypto exchanges. And if we are going to check the exchanges, you can trade on KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC, Gate.io, CoinX. So this exchanges work from 21 September, almost 2 years ago. So I'm going to click on the official website of oceanopenfinance.com, and then you can see here trade, swap, limit order, cross chain, perpetual, buy crypto. If you want to earn, so you can use pool, ether, liquidity, staking, and farmer yield. Dollar option is available here. So let's suppose I want to connect my wallet, Coinbase wallet, with this the application. So simple is that, click on launch application, and then you can see here there is many network is available here: Ethereum, Polygon, BNB chain, Solana, Avalanche, Optimus. Many big lists is available here about chain. So which you want to use your network for. So please choose from this list. Let's suppose I'm select of Ethereum. Now Ethereum is selected. If you want to change, so you can also change from this list. Okay, simple is that. Connect the wallet, and after that the all wallet information from show in front of you. So I'm using this time Coinbase wallet, so that I just simple click on Coinbase wallet, and then you can see here the pop-ups open front of me, and here is simple option available here, connect, and now my wallet is successfully connected. And so and also please make sure when you are any action perform on this website, you must disconnect your wallet. Okay, and you can see here my wallet is successfully connected, and my wallet is shown here. And also you can see if you have a balance, so then your balance will be shown here. Let's suppose you want to swap one coin to other coin, and there is option available. Let's suppose you have a one Ethereum, and you want to get the USDT stable coin, so you can change from this list. Many coin is available here. Let's suppose I want to change one Ethereum to USDT. Simple select, and after that you just simple swap, use the swap option. Because I have not balance, so that is there not shown. Okay, but if you have a balance in your wallet, so you can easily swap your one coin to other coin, and you can also swap your or stake your coin on this website. But be careful, again I'm telling you to please complete your search. After that you will do this. Okay, again I just simple make the video request of my subscribers. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your wallet with OpenOcean. So if you have or if you face any problem, you can mail to me my email address, and you can also comment below this video. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.